Actually, for development, it's straightforward, just writing the TypeScript as well. But normally, you just need to always do something in the constructor. For example, I want to create a resource group and auto complete here. And sometimes just the first parameter will be already this since it's construct, and then we pass the scope into the resource, and the name you need to be unique within this constructor. Okay, within this constructor, and then you will always create a bracket to fill in the configuration. And you should not know, may not know how to fill in the configuration. It's just straightforward. You just control click on the element, you will see the document, but it is you need to see the resource configuration. So you click on the something you're doing, and then the last one click on hold the control and click on it, and then you will see different parameter and the document. If you anything you want to know, you just click on the link, and it will prop up a browser and show you the official Terraform document. You just fill in the value and basis on the document,